Hi, I'm Aaron, and this is my Cheats Lemon Cheesecake Ice Cream. And the idea behind it is it's a really simple thing to make with ingredients you already generally have in, the Philadelphia cream cheese, store-bought ice cream, so it's just a case of making the biscuit base, putting it all together, and then it's good to go. So the first step is making the biscuit base for the ice cream, which is your digestive biscuits, soft brown sugar, and melted butter. Okay, so this is now ready. We're going to take the biscuit base and then press it and chill it down in the fridge. So now I'm going to add the ingredients, the Philadelphia cream cheese, the double cream, the icing sugar, and then I'm going to zest 1 lemon in there just so it releases the oils as it's whipping the mixture. So now that's at the right consistency. We're going to take the whisk off and then fold through the lemon curd just so it's like ripples. So it's perfect for care homes just due to the simplicity of it. It's ingredients which most places have. You don't need any sort of specific equipment. I have a mixer, but you can just do it by hand just as easily. Okay, so now the biscuit base is set on the blast chiller. I'm just going to break it up into pieces and then fold it through the mix. So now this is the cheats part of the recipe, basically using store-bought ice cream. So there's no need for an ice cream machine to churn it. So it's a little bit of a hack, obviously it saves you time. It's a lot easier once you've got the two ingredients combined. And then we're just going to finish it off with a little bit more of the biscuit base crumbled on top and a little drizzle of lemon curd to finish it. So it's really popular with residents. I suppose the main reason is it's familiar flavours. It's a lemon cheesecake which everybody's had, but also making it into an ice cream, it also makes it suitable in summer just for something a little bit more refreshing. And here it is.